What is it?
It was this cute. It said it was unknown. I scanned it and it.
Oh, here you go. You got a code right.
You have to put the code in. Okay, what does that say?
4593. Yeah.
Select from list or key in the item's code.
And then enter, and it's going to ask you individually.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Excuse me?
Oh,
Yeah. Hey, Ruben. I saw Veronica in here earlier too.
Yeah.
With her coworkers, I guess. Yeah.
You been good? Working?
Yeah. Yeah, we work. Yeah, went to the game a couple weeks ago with Shannon and them, so.
No, we're going to peace. Okay, moving toward the wrong road.
There you go.
Saya. Hey.
Legendary Pokemon. This one.
Hey, Brian.
Hey.
Have a good one.
Yeah, and by the way, I wasn't sleeping. I was just looking down at something. I know it looked like that. I do apologize. Yes, ma'am.
Somebody's changed them before.
Oh, okay, no problem. We can put it in there.
They might come back and whatever.
Oh, that one. Lisa, that one.
This is wrong, no? This 4, 8, maybe 12.
It's the we got about 7 here, $1, which is 8, and this is like 10. It's also the CRV fee for the bottles.
Oh, we paid $2?
Yeah, so
Oh,
recycling.
well, why put $3.98 if we
That's
paid
just-
$2?
That's the CRV fee, basically. That's the recycling. That's the state.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
They put $5, not $3.89.
I know, but it basically $2 accounts for all 48 of these, like all together, all these bottles, all recyclable. So it's like $2 together. It's like it was one
Oh,
individual.
about that 98.
That's the theater box. That's his candy.
Oh.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
I went to here high school.
What procedure? Oh. Really?
There, if we can help them,
Yeah.
we need that open.
Oh, I got it. Sorry. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Remember? My grandma can't figure out.
I don't want it back.
Okay, 0 and then
Oh.
okay.
Zero? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. And then you change it to here.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, look at that right there. Come on. Wait,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Did I get?
Right now, I kind of throw people off. I'm sorry. All right?